Your body needs vitamin B1. Your body needs a variety of vitamins to work the way it should. One of them is vitamin B1. Also known as thiamine, B1 helps your body turn food into energy. Here are health benefits of vitamin B1. Number 1. Good for diabetes. If you have diabetes, think about getting more thiamine. Studies show that high blood sugar and insulin levels improve after taking vitamin B1 for 6 weeks. B1 also helps reduce high blood pressure and heart complications in people with diabetes. Number 2. Prevents kidney and circulation problems. A dose of vitamins B1 and B12 can help improve nerve pain in people with diabetes and may reduce the need for painkillers. Number 3. Minimizes the risk of heart disease. Thiamine is key to the production of acetylcholine. This is the element that helps your body pass messages between its nerves and muscles. Without this communication, your heart wouldn't work the way it should. Lack of vitamin B1 is one reason for uneven cardiac function. Number 4. Improves memory. Getting enough thiamine can help improve concentration and memory. Because of its positive effect on attitude and brain function, it is also known as a morale vitamin. Boosts energy production when sugar mixes with vitamin B1. It becomes energy for your body to use. B1 helps make this process faster while supporting the other enzymes. Number 5. Reduces the effects of sepsis. Sepsis, a severe response to an infection, can become fatal if your vitamin B1 levels are low. Along with vitamin C, thiamine can reduce the effects of sepsis. It can also lower the risk of kidney failure that often results from the infection. Number 6. Helps fight depression. Taking vitamin B1 supplements along with an antidepressant is good for depression. Vitamin B1 helps ease symptoms faster while stabilizing your mood. Lack of vitamin B1 has also been linked to low moods. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. If you found this video helpful, please share this video on your social media sites, such as Facebook, Google, or Twitter, so more people can see it.